Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm showing you guys how I basically sleek my hair into a bun. It's midweek for me, or more like 3 days since I washed my hair, so I just want to moisturize it. And because I told you guys that I'll be showing you guys how I take care of my hair, I'm just going to share this. So I am adding water to my hair. Like I said, the last time I washed it was like 3 years ago. I hope it's not 3 years ago, but it's been 3 days. And usually, like when I don't know what to do with my hair or I don't want to tinker with it too much, I just put it into a bun, as you can see, or wear it out as an afro. So when I have it in a bun, I usually moisturize it midweek. So as you can see, I'm just adding water and making sure that the water goes everywhere. And then after that, I'm going with a moisture cream, like a curl. It's called a moisture curl. So I'm just adding that to moisturize my hair and to basically give it food to feed on. You can use any butter that you have. Like when I show this, like I don't mean that you need to use the same product to get the same result, but just use what works for your hair. For the oil, as you can see here, although the bottle says jasmine oil, it is a mixture of mostly castor oil, olive oil, and almond oil. Those are the oils that I use almost all the time. So I just thought it's better to just mix them all together and use them at the same time. As you can see now, I'm trying to pull my hair into a bun. I find it way easier to pull my hair into a bun when my hair is wet or when my hair is blow dried. Before my hair could go in a bun properly, I always had to make sure that I detangle my hair. As you can see here, I didn't detangle my hair, but I did detangle it 3 days ago, and girl, I was too lazy to detangle it again. It doesn't even take long, but I didn't feel like doing it. So I basically just pulled it into a bun like that, little section at a time, and being patient with my hair. I didn't pull it so much, even though it looks like it's pulled, but it's not, especially like the hair around my edges. I never really pull that in. What I basically do is I take the brush and I use that to lay them down, and I'm also using the shine gum. As you can see, it gives a hold, but it's not a strong hold like a gel. I see that it works for some people's hair, but it doesn't work for some other people, so you might just need to use a regular gel. When I have my hair in a bun like this, I prefer not to use a regular gel anymore because I basically don't need it. So I just use something like that gives a gentle hold that I don't need to really wash my hair after. As you can see, my hair is laying really flat, and I'm just going in with the same hair tie and I'm going to retie it again. See, it's totally laid. If your hair is shorter than mine, use gel to hold your hair down, and also make sure it's wet when you're doing it, or blow dry your hair. And then really be gentle and be patient until you pull all your hair in a bun. If you want to see how I lay down like way shorter hair, then check out some of my fast videos. Just click my name, it's going to take you to all my videos, and look at my old videos. So as you can see, I'm just going to put some Mali hair to add a little bit oomph to the bun, but I'm not using a lot of it because I want it to look really natural. You saw that I was counting it before. It's about 12 pieces, and that's all I'm using. As you can see, the bun looks pretty natural when I don't put too much Mali hair, like just enough to make the bun look natural. In fact, people actually usually think that it's my hair. And just because I'm going out for dinner with some girlfriends, I'm just going to add a little bit of this gold thread accessories just to add a little extraness to my outfit, because I'm keeping things pretty simple. I want to wear a black dress, so I just want to add this little gold accessories, and hopefully my earrings will be enough to accessorize the outfit. This is definitely optional. You don't need to add it. In fact, I don't usually wear it like on a normal day if I'm going to work or something like that. And then just to finish the look, I'm adding this little cute earrings that I absolutely love. I got them when I was in Kenya. I got them at, what do you call it? It's called Masai Market. And yeah, that's basically it, girls. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. I hope I see you guys on Saturday when I'll be uploading my next video. Have a lovely week. Bye.